Peggy 12.
So, you were thrown into this world because of Parallel Mon 2, huh? How about we work together so we can both go home? I need to know if I can trust you to have my back. The quickest way to do that is with our fists!
We should do a collab for Occult Tokyo TV. Oh, the viewers will love your life, fighting style.
Teaming up with others from different worlds and different times? I love it.
All right, now's our chance. Ponchos, on me!
Let's go!